Hi, I'm Varun here. I'm here to explain my fifth lab experiment of C# and .NET Framework Lab. And here is my code for exception handling. And as you could see here, I have created three user-defined exception, which is stack full exception and stack empty exception, and now not number exception. So when the stack is full, it's supposed to show that the stack is full, and it's supposed to throw an exception stack is full. And when my stack is empty, you can't pop it anymore. So the compiler should throw an exception called stack empty exception, which is a user-defined exception. And here, when an entered value is not a number, then this exception will be thrown, not number exception. So all this exception, so I have created a menu-driven application here, so which allows the user to push, pop, and peek. So here I have created an array, and the whole menu-driven application is running inside a while loop. And inside I have a switch case going on for the menu, and if the first one is selected, then it is supposed to check whether the stack is full or not. If it was full, then it's supposed to throw a stack full exception. If it's not full, then the number will be pushed inside the stack, and it will also check whether the entered value is a number or not. If it is not, then it will throw a not number exception here. And in case 2 is pop, so checks whether the stack is empty or not. If it is empty, then it throws an stack empty exception. If it is not, then it goes inside the else part, and then it will pop a number. And for case 3, if the stack it checks whether the stack is empty or not. If it is empty, then it will throw an exception, stack empty exception. If it is not, then it will display all the exceptions. It will display all the values. So here is the message for stack full exception, which is pop some element, and here is the message for stack empty exception, which is push some elements, and here is the message for not number exception, which is enter a number. So let's run the program, and as you could see here, I am supposed to choose an option, so I'll push a number. So I am pushing number 1, and I'm going to push it again. So I'm going to keep on pushing numbers inside. So when I cross 5, it's supposed to show supposed to throw an error, which is that stack is full, and the compiler is asking me to pop some elements. So I'm going to pop some elements. I'm going to click 2. The number 5 is popped, and again I'm popping the number 4 is popped, and I'm popping the number 3 is popped. Then I'm again choosing pop again. The number 2 is popped, and I'm again choosing pop, and the number 1 is popped, and when again choose pop, then it throws an exception that the stack is empty, and it's asking me to push some elements. And when I push some elements, when I type in a character, it shows that the entered value is not a number. The not number exception has been thrown here. That's all. Then this shows the exception handling in C#. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching.